And now, Diecast Discoveries on the Diecast Media Network.
Well, hey there folks, Chuck here, and I've got a package from Slanman Customs, because apparently I race diecast now. I don't know if I do it successfully yet, because my car from Tiny Track Cars' NASCAR Legends event hasn't raced as of me recording this, that I'm aware of. So, don't know if I'm going to do it well at it or not, but it was a lot of fun to do. It was a fun challenge, and in researching, I found that Slanman has a lot of really cool products to help with that, and some other cool stuff. So I placed an order. Unfortunately, I placed it too late. Not their fault, totally my fault. And it didn't arrive in time for me to use it in making my race car, but it's here now, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I got. So let's take a look. So I got the Tofu Shop, which is a 3D printed, pretty clearly, initial D Tofu Shop. That's very cool. I like that he, I assume it's a he, printed different colors for this and glued it together. It looks really nice. It's got kind of a, I guess you could take the back out. It's got actual interior with like brick flooring and tile on top. That's really cool, so you can customize the inside of it. And I don't know if that was supposed to come off, but it's nice for accessing the back. And this would be the upstairs rooms, I take it? Nope, got a ladder. Find out where all this stuff goes. I'm trying to remember what this is. I think I ordered a garage as well. So, I mean, as far as 3D printed stuff goes, this is very nice. It feels very solid. I like the road lines are in here, although I wish that they're indented, and I kind of wish it was extruded, because that would be how the actual stripes would be in the road, but that's nitpicking. So I assume this is the base for that, and I would assume correctly. So that's cool. Like, I like it. It's a good solid feel. It feels a lot more solid than I was expecting 3D printed stuff to feel. Like, it's got a nice texture to it as well. So, alright, what else we got? I think this is the other building I got. And, looks like some things got jostled in shipping a little bit. But you got NOS tanks, nitrous oxide system. You got like a display case area. You got this spool is 3D printed into the wall there. It's all very well done, I think. And there's a little, well, that little split there is kind of a bummer, but not a huge deal. Very easily covered with paint. I'm assuming that it all drops out. That's nice. Makes it easy to customize. I like that the floor, again, everything is different colors. So if you didn't want to paint it, you don't have to. I'm probably gonna, because, you know, I do like having stuff painted. But you can very easily add some glass in there. This would be the This would be the roof, I think. There we go. Very nice. It's like a like a lid. All right. By the way, don't forget, we're still collecting cars for drivendreams.org. Go to drivendreams.org. Help us raise 12,000 cars for kids in need. So this is a Dino. So we're thinking how this must be for the Tofu Shop. Again, looks really good. The roof tiles look nice. I mean, you can still see the striations in there from the 3D printing, but with paint, that's not going to be an issue. Let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah. Must have thrown in the little guy. I don't remember ordering him, but that's nice. Little ramps. Very nice looking. Look at that. Very cool. And they look, these are resin printed, so very good detailing on those. And these are FDM printed. So these are the big gantry ones that spray out the plastic. Very nice. So that would be what it looks like when it's on the print plate. I've done just enough 3D printing to be dangerous. So let's see. Got a little thank you for supporting my small business. So there's his info. So follow that. And this is the thing that I initially set out to order. This is the racing jig. So this is designed to keep your axles straight while you're lining stuff up. It's got little rubber feet go on it. Before you take the car apart, put the car on the jig and slide the free alignment block so both the front and rear wheels are sitting snug in the ridges. When you're ready to permanently place your axles, apply the adhesive, then quickly put the chassis on the alignment block upside down. Place a weight on top to apply pressure or use a rubber band. Okay, so this is the adjustable thing. So you've got your suddenly I don't have a car in front of me. It's a very rare occurrence. You got your little adjustment here, so you can put the front and rear wheels on there, get your alignment correct, and that's supposed to keep the axle straight while your adhesion is drying. So pretty cool. I like that it's got a little bin in here for keeping the axles and your other accessories. You can have some rubber bands in there. That's a very clever design. So I used the Red Pillar Racing jig for the last one, and it worked great. And I'm eager to try this out. I want to have, multiple ways to get the job done. So that's a good way to do it. All right, last but not least, I'm going to take all of this out. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with the packaging. The communication was good. Everything seems to have arrived in one piece. I don't destroy it by pulling this out. Alright, so Giga Penguin 3D printing. So I guess that's who does the 3D printing for them. Alright, so that's very clearly the parking lot. I'm not sure what this is. It's been a while since I looked at the... So that is definitely resin. No, that's not. That's FDM. So you got a chain link fence. Not bad. And that goes, I'm guessing, on this long edge here. It's just about the right length. Maybe not. Nuts. Well, that's on me. Okay. So we'll just assume everything is sitting in here copacetically. Got a corner here, so that's there. And this thing. Okay, I'm back. So I'm a genius, and this thing actually goes upside down. So that snaps into there. And this guy goes in here. So that tray kind of keeps everything neatly in place. And then you got this thing is your fencing here. And then there's this other fencing, I guess, if you wanted to do it so that it wasn't opaque. You can do it that way. So that's cool. And I'm going to assume this guy goes with... No? Doesn't go with the Dino. Alright, I have no idea what this other piece is for, but I'm going to assume it's some kind of spare or something, and hopefully it'll come to me when it comes time to build this. But and I'm guessing that just the fencing is just an alternative thing. But that's a very clever idea because it's got this gap here, so you could put lights in underneath if you wanted to cut holes in the floor, and then you're not having to cut that area up. And I like the lid design on this a lot. Very fun little scene storefront kind of thing. So, and even if you didn't want to paint it, it would still look mighty nice sitting on your shelf. Anyway, that's it. Check out SlanmanCustoms.com. No sponsorship, no paid promotion or anything. Just a guy I had heard of that's doing cool stuff. And I always like to try out the cool stuff that this community is making and encourage that, and hope more people will pursue that, because when more people succeed in this hobby, the better it gets for all of us. So again, thank you to our patrons who make the show go. You can learn more about that at diecastmedianetwork.com or by clicking the join button. And again, thank you for making it to the end of another episode. Check out the other stuff we got here. We got a lot of other cool unboxings, Diecast Breakdown, our podcast that we do, and of course the build videos. So as always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, you guys.